So people were saying that they're finding mathematical induction or inductive proof a bit challenging, and it is until it clicks. Absolutely, when it clicks, but it makes plenty of sense. It's a different sort of proof to direct proof. So let's see if this video helps out, because the basic idea you can see on your screen. It's just like if we've got a whole lot of dominoes, a long line of identical dominoes evenly spaced, as you can see there. And basically we have to show a couple of things, maybe three things, and the dominoes are a good analogy. So we've got identical dominoes all spaced evenly. What we've got to do in the first instance is suppose the first domino falls. In other words, we have to show yes, the first domino has fallen, just like here. Alright, so flick, and first domino has fallen. Now it's not a proof if you go, oh, now the second domino, now the third, now the fourth, because that's not a proof. That's just showing specific cases, and there might be an unlimited number of possibilities, so you'll never fully prove it that way. But we do look at the first one. We call it the base case. So we show that, and that's usually an easy step. What we do next is we basically show that if we have any domino picked at random, let's say this one, any domino picked at random, some domino chosen, if that one happens to fall, then the next one falls. That's that step. We call that the inductive hypothesis, and a hypothesis is a statement that we can test, and you know that from your studies of science and maths. So that's a hypothesis. We assume that step. If that step happens, we need to show the inductive step. If one picked at random falls, then the next one will fall. That's what we need to show. So if that is the case, then it's true for all cases, because we've shown the first one falls. We've shown that if we choose one at random and it happens to fall, and that inductively, if that happens to bump the next one and they're all evenly spaced, then they will all fall over. So click on the next video. If you've got that digested in your mind, click on the next video and we'll look at that in a specific case using one of our index laws, which you should be familiar with from year 9. But if you're not fully kosher with that, and if all the other readings haven't quite hit yet, you might want to watch this video again, or you may wish to do some of that reading again, like the Maths is Fun website link that I gave you. So I'll see you in the next video when you're ready.